Hello my lovely people, hope you're all fine. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I cook my smoked fish. So for the vegetables I need green capsicum, tomatoes, green beans, red onions, carrots, garlic and eggplants. So my fish is clean, and now what I'm going to do is I'm breaking the fish into small pieces and I'm placing it in a pan. I'm going to add water to the pan so that I soak the fish. Soaking the fish helps the fish to become soft. Smoked fish is also very tasty and of course very healthy. So why they smoke fish is because it's a form of preservation. In case you want your fish to go for many days, you smoke it and it can take you many days. Personally, I love fish, and I love fish like in all forms. I can eat fish. So with this fish, what I'm doing is that I've used different vegetables to spice it up, of course add flavor, and to also make our soup look colorful and more tasty. Subscribe to my kitchen by Nana if you haven't yet subscribed. I always upload different food recipes, healthy foods, and I upload very simple video tutorials. Now that I've finished putting all the fresh ingredients and the vegetables in the pan, I'm going to cook them until they're all soft and tender. After about 3 minutes of frying the fresh vegetables, I'm adding the dry ingredients to the pan. That is fish curry powder, ginger powder, cumin powder, garlic powder, paprika, turmeric, black pepper, and salt. Feel free to check the description box. I'm going to write down all the fresh and the dry ingredients that I've used in this specific recipe, and I'm also going to be sharing other links of different fish recipes. I'm now adding the fish to the pan. It has been soaking for some time, and I'm adding it to the pan. I'm going to stir everything together. In case you've liked the video, don't forget to click the like button, and in case of any comments, leave them down below in the comments section. I'm now adding water to the pan. Add water depending on the amount of soup you would want, but of course don't add too much because it may come out tasteless. Add water depending on the fish that you have, and of course the vegetables. Yeah, as you all know, fish cooks for a very short time, so I'm going to cook it for about only 15 minutes and it will be ready. I enjoyed cooking this fish today. Hope you guys have liked the video and have enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.